Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options to turn off automatic data synchronization in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So we have to go to settings, then we are looking for accounts and backup menu, and at the top we have manage accounts. And here we have auto sync data. If we don't want synchronization, we can turn it off. Yes, we have a little warning pop-up here, and that's all. Now we will use less of our mobile data if we don't want to, or we can just use manual synchronization if we want to do it later. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.